You've come a long way, Don Bell. Forever a solid Bell, forever a dumbbell enjoyer. Proud of you both. Good luck on your future individual projects. Max Payne and Dave Lore will be so proud of you. Ito po ang caption ng ABS-CBN Star News. Paalam sa Love Team. Let's go watch this.
Iba ko si Johnny Pang. Ang upcoming movie nilang tayo sa wakas ang magbibigyan ng pansamantalang pagsasala ng kanilang love team. Siksikan sa istoryang He's Into Her. At ang bibida, walang iba kundi si Johnny Pangilinan at dating child star Bel Mariano. Ang upcoming movie nilang tayo sa wakas ang magbibigyan ng pansamantalang pagsasala ng kanilang love team.
Mga kaibigan, yan po ang kanilang caption, paalam sa Love Team. Ang sabi, movie project lang naman ang hindi nilang pwedeng pagsamahan kasi tapos muna daw sila sa movie projects together kasi gusto nilang makapagtrabaho sa ibang artista. Pero yes, does that mean na pwede pa silang magkaroon ng mga iba pang projects apart from movies? Pwede pa kaya silang magkaroon ng teleserye as Love Team? Diba weird ang iniisip ko? Pero yes, who do you think cried first at the media con? Is it Donnie? Is it Belle? Or is it Bubbles? Ang tanong daw po ay yaon. Ang correct answer daw, all of the above. You could totally tell they were holding back their tears during the podcast. Yan po ang sabi ni Ayen. Yes, mga kaibigan. Samantala, sabi ni Pexie Dust, I can't believe Belle's voice trembling while talking with the last project question. Those two are so used to each other now.
This would be siguro the best. Yeah, we've done so many projects diba, throughout the years. But I think me and Belle decided that for this specific project, it will be our last Don Bell projects for now.
So kung yun ay last Don Bell projects for now, that means may possibility pa rin naman na magkakaroon sila ng projects in the future. So para sa mga bubblies dyan, out there, naku, wag mawala ng pag-asa. Maging masaya kasi nga po sa harap mismo ng kamera ay ginawa nila itong pagsabi na last project for now itong tayo sa wakas. Malay mo, meron iba pang proyekto na darating maybe after 1 year, 2 years, or 3 years, mga kaibigan. Kasi mismong si Don ang may sabi, for now. So that's gonna be medyo alanganin na sagot and pwede pa rin tayong umasa na magkaroon pa sila ng more projects in the future. Samantala, sabi ni Yana, the worst case scenario if they don't take this step is that they could slowly fade. That spark might dim. As a fan, I actually see this decision for the Love Team as a blessing because it gives them the space to grow and come back even stronger together. So, ibig sabihin, nakikita ba nila na medyo bumaba yung ratings nila or yung followership ba or yung charm nila sa masa? Kaya nasabi ni Yana na mas maganda na ito, take this as a blessing, make them grow as individual, but then yes, at the end of the day, come back, then grow stronger and work together even much stronger for the next project as Don Bell. Nakuha niyo yon? Medyo magulo yung pagkasabi ko pero yun din po ang thoughts na gustong iparating sa inyo ni Yana. Samantala, Lara is saying it's not the ending I imagined and maybe that's why it hurts a little more. But when you really look at them, you can tell this choice came from a place of clarity, not confusion, and somehow, knowing that makes it easier to let it be. #DonBell. Pero pakaisipin ninyo, the way sumagot po si Donnie and Belle, may sakit po sa puso nila na umabot pa sa point na kailangan nilang i-handle ang things together just to stop the fans from being toxic and being tawag dito, mapanakit sa iba, mga kaibigan. So maybe that was the reason nung dumating sila sa punto na may mga issues like Maymay, issues like Shuvi, issues like kisses, at tapos hindi matapos-tapos. So siguro dahil ito ay nagiging mapanakit na sa iba, so they preferred to end the love team to at least act like a human, diba? I don't know, just some kind of point of view lang naman yan ni Lara at ng point of view ni Alexander, mga kaibigan. Sabi ni I Am Noyen, Donbell lang po magpapahinga for now. We still have Donnie and Belle, may Asap Australia pa. And of course, we still have Donato and Belinda, Dunais and Tutuch, Nato and Tink. O diba? Sa kanina nga daw ay nabanggit pa ito si Donnie na babe ang tawag kay Belle Mariano, kung kaya ikinasaya po ito ng ibang followers ng Don Bell. I don't know, but I'm always saying that the last Don Bell event for me is the one for their movie, and then it turns out it's the last Don Bell project for now. I kind of want to take back what I said. I suddenly feel so sad because I was hoping for a powerhouse series and follow-up. Nako, di niya akalain, ito na pala ang huling project nila na pagtrabahuhan together. So, masakit daw po yan kay kay Rock. O, diba? Hindi ko alam sino si Rock. But then, sinabi lang niya ang kanyang saloobin on that one, mga kaibigan. With this revelation ng Don Bell, mga kaibigan, ang sabi dito, sabi kasi ni Katrina, sold out all the block screening, show up for Don Bell promos, sold out the fan meet, make tayo sa wakas a blockbuster movie. So meron siyang panawagan na sold out daw po ng Bubblies dapat ang block screening, pati mga Don Bell promos daw dapat nandoon daw po kayo. Iso-sold out din nyo daw po ang fan meet and gagawin nyo daw pong blockbuster ang last movie ng love team na Donnie and Belle. Mangyayari ba kaya yan? Kasi nga po, syempre may mga fans dyan na matatabangan and ma-feel disappointed. Pero aalamin natin, suddenly everything feels heavier. This teaser really hit different now according to Don's To Touch Forever. Unlocked emotion, I wasn't prepared for Don Bell daw po. Hindi nila kayang tanggapin ang mga revelasyon ni Donnie and Belle sa mga panahong ito, mga kaibigan. Feel na feel ko po kayo. Kasi ramdam ko rin po yan when that happened to my and Edward.